Ka jingmi jingan tho halor ka jingsha jet ka Agatha kes sangma MP Lok Sabha Barim Natura Parliamentary Constituency kum ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights MSCPCR baka day tang namar ka jinge day shipara bar umentri rang ba ka jala konrat kes sangma bat badai ka nong Ïalam jong National People's Party kala penlong ya ka Dr. Mazel Ampareen ling do ka menteri badai khmi ya ka tanat ka kot ka khya bar ka nong aiktin jong sarkar MDA2 ban bo jing kali kala la ka Jingtbit bat Jinglah ban Trei kam long ban no bai tang ha kanong rim badan jinga day lani ka nepotism ha ka ktin English habajuba palor ki jingkli ki nong tho khubor ha ka no phai singi jong ka lai tarik urisa arja arpusau ka menteri da ka bakarsha ne ka jingsha jet ka Agatha kala ong ba Hato don ki ba kham Biang banyaka kala ong kamot uyuban kanno tang badan jinga day bat ka Agatha ka don ka Jingtbit bat kum ka risan hima ka ang not ban sakri ya ka Jinglah dak ba pen pau ba ka day ka ba Biang na ka banta ka kam kum ka chairperson ka te ka commission ka ba pet ya ka bha ka myat ki khanna ka menteri kala ong Hato ka donjing ma ya ki ba donjing mut ban sakri wat la ka day ka para u menteri rang ba kala kan tho ba hadin habot kindang don shu ki ba day ki khun kan thai ne ki para kan thai ki ban Trei ya ki kam bat Hato ka long ban shu kan no ba ka Trei kam ka jinga jan ni ka jinga day.
I do not understand why we must time and again break the same issue. A whole debate was initiated. Everybody who had to say anything sensible has said it. The Honourable Minister concerned has also made a statement. Why do you want to again ask me? We stand by our commitment. You mean to tell me that we have any other woman who is as qualified as the Honourable former MP for this job? What do you mean nepotism? Doesn't performance count? Doesn't experience count? What else do you want? She would be the ideal person for the job. If you ask me personally, I don't speak on behalf of anyone. I speak as a political leader. If there are political leaders with her kind of experience who are willing to still serve the people, where is the harm? Does it really matter whose sister she is or daughter she is? I think the state of Meghalaya is too critical on families which are political in nature. Why, you do not trust that we also have qualification? Tomorrow another politician's child get or another sister get, you will just zero down on nepotism? What extent you'll take this nepotism to? These are people who are qualified. What do you want us to do? Again, when we bring unqualified people, you'll say they are not qualified. Please sometimes view politicians for their own merit and the ground they stand on. I request the people of Meghalaya not to be unkind like this. Yes, we are a political class. Are you going to condemn us all the time? Are you forgetting the contributions that politicians have made to the state of Meghalaya? And are all of us dumb and without qualification? Why are we not qualified? Please, there is a limit to this debate. Nepotism. If people of a constituency choose a particular person for being a child or a wife or a husband of a political leader, why is it such a problem? Why don't you let the political class also have some life? We're also human, you know. We also have an ambition which is directed to service to the state and the people of this nation. Why is it that people are so mean to us? This has to end. Please.
One issue you said about qualifications. Do you mean to say that there are less qualified, not as
Do not twist my statement. Do not twist the statement that I made. If X candidate happens to be a 3-time MP and is qualified to take up a post of the chairperson of the Child Commission, will you deny that person just because she is someone's sister? You'll forget the 3 terms of MPship that she has given to the state? What are you saying? Don't twist what I said. I said it very clearly. Though we come from the political representative class, we are also human beings. Tomorrow if I retire and somebody calls me to contribute my services to a particular assignment, you're going to say, don't give it to her. She did nothing for 15 years, for 20 years. What are you saying? Why are the people being so critical to people who have served them? Where is the harm? What is wrong? You tell me what is wrong. Disqualify me on level playing ground. Don't disqualify me because I'm somebody's sister or somebody's wife or somebody's husband. This is wrong, very wrong. I feel very strongly about this. I don't need to represent any political party. I speak as a citizen of the state. I speak as one who has worked very hard to contribute to the welfare of the state. And I feel that Madam Agatha is the right person. Person who knows, has knowledge on the matter, person who has been a parliamentarian, person who has contact at the right places. What else do you want? Qualified as an individual citizen, all round on many accounts. Let us not be like this. Let us not be like this. It is the wrong thing to do.
She hasn't resigned as a member of a political party. That is one. And the other one
Please
is...
don't talk to me about these
Ma'am,
technicalities.
Another issue is, in the past, a chairperson of a women commission, when she attended a political party meeting, she was also... she came into...
Why are you presuming that that will not happen to qualify? Have you given this person a chance? Or have you already condemned her? Do you even know details? Have you asked? Have you met her? Have you asked her if she's willing to resign, or has she taken up? I mean, look, please don't do this. Not fair. This is not fair. Meet Madam Agatha, let Madam Agatha speak to you. She will be the best person, but if you ask me as a fellow citizen of the state of Meghalaya, I have a feeling that she will perform. She will perform, you know. She's quite correct. Whether or not the manner in which her name has been suggested, whether they have followed procedures, etc., etc., Honorable Minister has already responded to those queries. Am I right? I am not in position to know. I have no idea. I am not privy to that file. I have no idea. But my plea to the people is, through you, please stop condemning us. We are not bad people, you know. We have done so much in our own respective capacities. And to just throw us out of the system and say, we condemn you, is like so painful. I think every politician will feel what I'm feeling. I think every person in the right sense of mind will feel what I'm feeling. All bureaucrats are allowed to continue in various capacities. Why should politicians also not be allowed? I feel very bad, you know. This is very wrong. Have you ever spoken to Madam Agatha? Have you tried to meet her?
She has not joined yet.
Have you met her?
I spoke to her, but she has not joined yet.
So obviously, when there's so much noise being made, who will want to come and join? Why are you throwing out this opportunity of getting an opportunity of her services again? I'm sure... I have no idea. I have not spoken to Madam. I don't know how she feels about this. But I empathize with what she's going through. I'm also the daughter of a politician. So you're going to condemn me? You say I have not done a good job? By the way, we also have to stand for elections. And we have to win the same elections that any other ordinary citizen has to win, okay? Don't write us off like this. It's not fair. Because all of us work very hard to be in positions that we have been in.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jambara.
Hoi ki Biang lor.
Ai kirashon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba, ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba, ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khaya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam, ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei, ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mat ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dai kumno.
Yo iya ke jingtei ya ke met kapan ke jungi nak jingbam ke bangi bam man la kasngi kum ke iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngengat hagi babun ke jajingpa ka sorkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ke kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke amkhnyang bam. Kidai bandon ya ke jingbam ki batei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng ya ki 45 ila banitu ya ki da ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba uni jingbam plus F pat ngila banyo na eh.
Nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi ya ki skim ICDS MDM PDS kabha na kabenta upajba ka sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na kabenta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen dei na kata ka daw batang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng nang ni shakman tang da ukhau 45
Ba pikirannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.